Hello, here is the new Hydrananokit. I just wanted to show you guys what's in it and also how you fill the Hydra cartridges. So I'm just gonna take it out from this packaging. I actually opened it before. Okay, so here it goes. Take away the card. So here's the pen. It looks a little bit different than the other ones. So it comes with a pen. It comes with, this is a packaging with two of these kind of massage tops. I'll show you how to put this on. I didn't want to open this one, but I have an extra one here. They come with two of these. And then the charger. Okay, so the pen have a hole where you put in the cartridge. It looks completely different than the other microneedling pens because this is a Hydra Nano. Have one button only. I'm actually gonna put that like this. So one button only. You turn it on by pressing the button 3 to 5 seconds. You start to hear and you see the blue light is on here. To change the speed, you press 1 second. You heard the different sounds there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To turn it off, you press the same button, 3 to 5 seconds. As easy as that. So there are Hydra cartridges with this one. I'm gonna take this away and I'm gonna show you the cartridges here. Ooh. This way. Okay, so I'm actually gonna put on some gloves here. It's the cartridge. I'm gonna put on some gloves here. When I do this, and I hope everyone is wearing protective gloves. So these are the cartridges. They come in package like this, and you can just tear this one. It says open. This is how they look like. So this is I'm gonna move the pen actually. I'm gonna do this. So this is a protective cap that you remove by screwing it off. But we're not gonna take it off yet. On the bottom, now I have the bottom up, it's kind of like a little rubber protective plug that is removable, and this is where you put in the serum. So you can put on, see here, 1 milliliter, 2 milliliter, or 3 millimeter. So how do I do this then? So you put the cartridge with the needle coverage down, or the protective cartridge down on a flat surface. You're opening this. You're removing the plastic, the rubber, or not plastic, the rubber cap. I'm gonna put in pure hyaluronic acid. Surprise, surprise, right? I'm gonna show you now, but when you do it, just put it like this. I'm gonna put in how much I want there. I'm gonna put in some more. There we go. After I do that, it's important to put the rubber cap back on again, right? It's kind of like clicking, and you can see it, that it's on, right? You really can see it there. And you see that I have liquid in here. After you do that, you turn it and you remove this protective sleeve, and you can see the serum is coming out. And then you take the pen, you pop it in as far as you can. Then you put this ring on, this massaging ring with the prongs down, and then you're ready to go. Then you just press 3 to 5 seconds and it's ready to go. When you remove it, you press 3 to 5 seconds. You remove this massaging ring and then turn the pen upside down. I'm gonna have it a little bit angled now so you see, and then pull this straight out because we don't want any serum in here where you put the cartridge. And then you put the protective, you screw on the protective cover and you toss this. Obviously it's only a one-time use, single use.